Umwancho murigirira bugete senya kisi hot na wakire mbya mona singa nchogo sanga ama nintukira chingaki ncheni kwa nkoro kwa nyaputo Dennis kusena buwancha onda ngeri kuntu ase ebrebiga ni kontete ko sanga masa yemo amona abayibori ba Huldah Momanyi mosbati oyevoretwe ase kinyoro kya Nyamemiso ime ye wodi ya Magombo county ya Nyamira oyo nyarite kaboka gochorwa ase kirgo kya Minnesota House of Representative aritinse moche America ni kontete ko sanga amona abayibori baye ba Huldah Momanyi kuratinse moche che America na anene mono batwerere naki esavari ya Huldah Momanyi yabeire goso mwana obo yesa achititinse moche America na kiasomire na kiaswete siasa na bwana wikagochorwa asense y'abantu abarabu gochikubatenenera korwa ase bungeria ya Minnesota nigo ndete kwana yemasa yemo ase ebirebiga na kwariganire.
Hello, this is Nyaputo Dennis from Kisi Hot TV, and here I am with the family members of Huldah Momanyi. So, welcome, Philip, and give us some update from the family from US. How was the occasion, the situation, the elections, and finally you have won the seat?
My name is Philip Momanyi from Kisi Tombe, Nyamira County. My daughter Huldah Momanyi hastily won the Minnesota State House of Representatives. It has been a long journey since she started campaigning for this seat, and she had tried years ago to run for a different seat, but she didn't make it. But her resilience has made her succeed this time, and we are so excited. And along with me here is her mother, Tabitha Kwamboka Momanyi, and I have my aunt here, Virita Abuga, and my cousin Grace Maina, and brother James Maina. And so both of us, all of us will be here, and any of us may interject and contribute anything that they feel like they will contribute. Do you want me to continue?
Yeah, you can continue. Just I have enough airtime for you.
Okay. So Huldah came to the USA when she was 9 years old, and initially we come from a very humble background, but by God's favor and the grace, we find ourselves in this place of honor. We thank God for that. When I came to the US in 1987, I came here with only $60 in my pocket as a student. But by God's providence, I made it through school, and then later my family joined me. If I may speak about Huldah, Huldah grew up between two boys, my eldest son, Mishak, and my youngest son, Person, and they would tease her, but each time she could find a way of countering that. I think that shaped her character. And she has always wanted to do more. Every time I gave her an assignment, she always did more beyond my expectation. And both me and my wife were teachers in Kenya. And so when I would tell her to write a composition, she would write as long as she can. She liked long things. And so she has always been competitive, even in sports, in her school, and in other areas of life. But above all, Huldah loves to serve community. She has loved to do this from earlier on, and she gives credit to that to her mom and I, who usually could host a lot of people in our house, some of them were homeless, people who needed help. And I think she caught up with that bulk, and she has compassionately wanted to serve people. And before this time, she had a non-profit of herself for herself called Sunny Naps, helping Kenyan girls succeed in school. And she has distributed foodstuff in primary schools in Kenya, especially most of them in Nyamira County, and some schools in where her mother comes from, Nyecheki. So she has been involved in charitable contributions. Yeah, I will let other people speak, and I may add something else later.
Okay, so thank you.
But she loves to serve people.
Right.
Okay.
Can we get her mom, her mother?
Yes. Inche gonkoro kutabita kuambuka. Oyo mwana kurugo basi Nyecheki. Ono ngacha Bogetutu, Nyamira County. Buna na kinete mama igare goteba nga igore gesieri ase bali batabwati endagera. Mama minda kambundisa buna nkorageri abantu bonsi enyumba yaito yayigoire buna naika Bogetutu ibona are korugo kima abantu baburi ayo korugo bonge pakabwanya gotigara abo nabona ngeigo mpaka nonya na America bono bunanda no koruga nde incheri oko monto koruga sieri akonyoro mamboro.
Yes.
Onkole makinyeni chiane abaire nkole machia kaisa na ibere chinyeni ngokonya abangina ga bara batali kwenyara bagusiba ito bagacha kulia chinyeni batale kulia chiko ku organic.
Yeah.
Bono undo yo igare kuna kuligere dinana ki anda ale kuragera buango okolire ukiro gokole bintu ale buango omusamaro boronge igo ande nabare kuragerera maboka abere yani abege to bokima inyani kire moina yani amaboka abere akogendi buango bono iso mubori na kuragira natata na bondega
yeah
nanda maene tabike ndiye aikapake university akobogori kimeja isato yani university beto university akagraduate
yes
one graduate nera agachaka liende gokonya abana bali batali kunyara Kenya nabo igotachieti gotiga
yes
akagendera gokonya e community yeitoga iga korora nkikeria gokora na kiagera takaba omurai omwanya getinga yeitoga iga e president yengima akanyora chigira tokonyoro bositwa yani obositokoria mabere mechere no mwana bwate gokorera abantu
yes
tina amanyete ngate natige mwanya getinge asuke motwe bono no murayare naende agotebirie gento tali koira na maega
yes
ndende tali gokora bintu bikoro kunga nonsense ya igare a straightforward girl
yeah
igo nyasao ito kolirega kona bagusiba minto igo bato bwate seti bagaka chikura omwana ya oiri bugeke nyasaye no muya aba pastor baito bagato bwate sia amasaba gasoa e community engima baito korwabu abantu bari kunya gotuma gisemesi nga Huldah goikoire anda maina na bairete
yes
bono no mbuto
yes
Sirandara kola my auntie
yeah
who is on behalf of mom.
Okay sir
Nera akwana ngubuna manyite Huldah jedi tayangoro ko birita uba
yes
nendo yolingi nakoro gulita elieta liaro kire Atoku muroka ngwiri tangina chibu. Naende umongino inere eliete liaro kiri umongino ina nero olengo olego torageria. Umwana oyo ito nero tokoroka abatongole bwito nabangina kurunguna bibiye okwana nga obonene bw'abacu kuri na sukuru yabo ngwirita ngwirita otoro korwangu nagokina akale ngakanyere okumurangiri nga baba ngina chibu yonde tera mati babu ani agara kanyere ngo ominya ko do ngio tegeti anya na bukato ya ngo kwa maelio osanga nekibandi kiyo yobe kamuno tabua tumanga nande ngana ta manye tukutwata na siminto bono nyumba kyababa ta manye tukutwata na nga oyo mago kuruboro no yo mago kuru iga kana litsenga mago kuru ngingo kara ihuno kwa murangiri iho minyokire gocha no mwana otabwa ati obagushi andi ne ile na mono na mwiro gete Nyasaye ninke yaki nerete nigato nari gukwana nk'abana bayitumba mwiro gete Nyasaye bakamukinya ikinjere kiwene tenenda akabogo tegerera bono gana igafite gukwana n'abantu bandi bamwabo nka muntu mintu nonyana ira bakurangiringa umwana mintu umwana mintu tabwatiruwe ya tabwatimanyi ngali yago tebanga uyu no musongo uyu no makenya uyu muntu no mwana mwabo igolende obero yubo seni umwana y'injiraki n'injira y'ubwantani no kwenye tarago ikera no na abuna bora asikuburi anda abugusiga na boko iwo ikire paka chache mata alia akoirira abana kinyaruka kubakonya abana bamura kubakonya
actually naringe kinyoro isobonkari nate bwanga abana mbaragwa kanire school fees ebinte bingwena ne chindagere kinyora ari mochere abantu mbantebi
amina bona ino rutogoteba nga tariyo umwana undi togoteba omusigale goteba nga umwana umuyagale uyu bw'abantu bona ere kine kereke ukiaye nandire inumbuya mwana asenge ntumwa entumwa tokiniri una mwachi to bona endayi titwale ngombora nayo gwateba igono mwana w'abantu bonsi bona no mwana w'abantu yiri abana unabagukina nandwa musikinya za oro leo na bokwaro tena waye tari boy permanent gotengo terazari
ya na chirora narara muchibunore okinete
bona abantu amwire gitinya sai niga bagukini bona ninya sago teba ngabanye no burongo tariko batiga bona tuera ni limbu jamano naye mbu jamano wachi toro tiwama nawe sinya semermo kara
asante
bona sini gwambu jamano
thank you
imbu hata my sister gaiga dara tiga gukwa
okay jego Grace Maina oyo tata na abuga kuro abuga nero mukoti omwabo kumanyi no yiro kwana mama na kitu no tora twensi ntu nyasaye to ko bonene kuna abandi bakwani ko komenta wikyo nda ko tabanga okina kuko passionate no muntu ngakwegera chingencho muntu akinibwe utwali abana bamwe abata yani umuntu utagete kugwatani abantu nase family egori yani eri na kiko parambwatani agoja nganti yani ata tugoja bula agoja kuikago tene ngentu gete kinyane bo minto mbija kitaiga kiri mwa kwana yani njira ta ngakiko paran connect no muntu minto bura sege ngakiko paranyale bakala kyo ine aranjina somira sale ngata geto make sure nga when one is a leader it just comes to her that passionate that it's not after money, it's not after high word. She wants to serve. She wants just to serve. asa abantu, that has been a passion and a role model and a character that she has actually encompassed. Even when ona bana liko nyabale kenyore chikasi ni chaba iri batagete kwetana ero jero tanya kebe njugo njugo, yani she wants to unite people quick. Egere batu are a common goal to achieve, and which has actually now shown up. Iganda tote abantu baje bakaba aba mong in tribe te tamu agere te kura to.
Narra about 64.18.
Igari je tia banta ange sana yani and kilo mundata to identify because the peace with a lot of peace the unifying factor.
Yes.
Unifying factor. Even when she has muonekana nge mwanyagetinge yali de mwanyagetinge is like abagusiboka uri abagusi ndugu ata abagere magwati group yabo aba ikoyo, lakini yali go unite all those leaders manyamospi bakaba Tanzania bakaba aba Ethiopia aba Somali bonsipi bakonge ngawote mbubaso kutuko mwana, you know that was just speaking a lot of favor.
Yes.
Like it was Olindo house of Nana Mokino jobs, and we did chinde as one in the way. The country it was one. Have inspiration even to our young generation. About in a be now said Jan to make anybody. As asking a sign as I got a gay about on the west son of the son of Mutarengeretti, or my colleague and that like what God wants for your life. Nobody will change it. Like this was a moment just to say, even in spite of everything,
yes,
is a wrong story, but God has proven himself that as I could be now working in Jana, and it's going to change history for a lot of young generation. Thank you, Biamon.
Asante sana, karibu.
Okay, you on that.
Why, bwana ngabaragu.
Hello, naitene umpasa James Maina.
Yes.
Seiteri Nyamira. Kuwa sako kunyamusi. Iga iga nyomba ndiga yumoko yone. Philip Komesa moko yone. Reise na ngina no abare ga mu abotole tuwaje gotero ngambiye makasire mimiya.
Yes.
Yasa akolire tu mwana Huldah. Din koiro de mangana ba kwanire. Onse iba kwa nekene na ende asomo Kenya mugima mugusi abantu bariga bonsi kiroyo muito gakogete ekiagera umwana wakorera nyariya asingencho ya okorora bwate no korora kunya samukonye kuwikirana. And so we are looking forward, which was this is the beginning of great things that these young ladies want to accomplish. The best is yet to come. So, and n'abantu balibo sibatokonye koranga ekeroge kigiakire to Kenya, aba Ethiopia, aba Somali, abantu b'Uganda, Tanzania, aba Mongi, abantu aba Vietnamese, aba America, aba Arabega, aba Chiburuchia, abantu baba biba bikuretse wose umwana we Huldah yagiye ko gapirete taguto kira kento twatiri ne islago ni ayabu atenelinga ki we can do it together. Together we are stronger to get strong, and we are stronger when we are together. That is the slogan. I think it has proved that when people come together, they are united, they can accomplish much.
All right.
Nero islagonye wene tenonye na senka no mugusi, when you are united kene nkekera basinye na mo kereta sasa igombuya mono na inwe gas mo ngende to kora uboradia koranga mwaretira awao nende ko bawo moyo ka abana baito na bana bakora nani intu na bato kora it does not matter nga yole abokore audience isiko ensemo ya ugenini, lakini hata pale nje ya ugenini utaweza kufanya jambo. Kwa hivyo hakuna kitu ambacho kitaweza kuzuia chochote kile ambacho Bwana angetaka ukitekeleze.
Right.
Because we are waiting for other people to come to this land.
Yes.
It's possible. By gabayichega gabayichori green card lottery jikoba. We need more people in this land. ANC nengare ego yasa osini buyamo nanje nabo ndatebe ego moneti gama ngere lisa ona kole.
Thank you very much Korunya Musimati. All right. Phil, I want us you take us through the mangana siasa yensemeyo naki mwa korete siasa and siasa na kiaringi. Yeah. So yeah, continue.
Okay. Okay. Siasa mwana oyo ekaracha agete 2 years ago nakuwa nakare alikuranye kero kyo Senate lakini tabua enkanyora ngobere discouraged nkamoremia nande nkaranga nege ntege kongu bono kunganye tenga ninche nyora yibaga mukani atiga mangana siasa ngo nyora naendo timiri ya buite those who won the primaries naende na bwago konya ko assist asoko bakambeine ria bono rende ngamutiganga uyo siasa atageta konya abantu but serving people nerere the greater motivation. She likes to serve people vuna bakwani bande bachakire ekera renge Bethel University igata gite gokora a course ya social work. I remember being very angry about that. Kiagara ne course yetabwati market yengi yamono kagende sukuru tukuma na ne council ayaye nkamote my daughter cannot do that course here and I need to private college is expensive. Kuika kole course era komo hachi basa chinyinge ekera tukuma na ne council ayaye omwana oyo gochogonte nanchire buna gwantebia akamanya kuruo agachi agakora chimecha isato agantebia yamone yakwata gitenkore lakini agasiniki in ekosia ya a political science course social work agakora business management for me chimbe bera agakora sao ekiagara moya international reconciliation and international something na business management. So service has been really the central motivation for her. College achieved the fund for teaching their students about servant leadership.
Yes.
Servant leadership. Ego omwana oyo igare a hands-on person. None kerare gokora campaign igare gokora kuru akokora campaign bueka ogenda no mpueko gokora campaign she's hands-on. Ogenda team yaye she was hands-on yare involved completely immersed in it. Oisa komo ligereria the way she was working toko manyanga na ro yokorigio banane. She was working like anybody else and very involved. Because the campaign was not easy, especially the primaries in Muchucho. Muchucho are exceedingly tight. Because she likes to put people together of different ethnicities.
Yes.
Opponent who was already a politician, Konyoro Saviri in the city council, Orenge Mono, lakini akamubua, agaita Chucho, and since that time she has been working exceedingly hard. She's a Kurara 2 or 3 hours a night. And the rest of she was working. But she's doing it for her love to serve her community. Ekera sabe kirugukia mwanyagitinga as the president.
Yes.
Mwanyagitinga yabere down for 8 solid years yakure. But she revived it akamanya grant chinyinge kirage. Aka work with the government kanyachi grant chinyinge that she brought to the community. Kuchakira abo abantu bagachako materia ebo no mugambi.
Yes.
And she put into that. Again, talking about vision and a dream. It was like something that was unbelievable.
Yes.
That and she demonstrated resilience, commitment, and hard work. Hard work did not prevent her.
Yes.
It was hard work. See, it was hard work. We calculate the percentages with which she won. She won 65% of the vote.
Yes.
Lakini she defeated him hands down. Percentage by God's grace. No nyambo ni ga service yaye kubwatekana na character yaye. She will always be hands-on. She wants to be hands-on. She wants to be where decisions are made. She wants to be part of decision-making. Because despite unfortunately, we lost the president, which I said,
yeah.
But until we are celebrating, disappointment.
Yeah, exactly.
Yes, I don't know if I answered your question well.
Yeah, you have answered my question. I don't think if I have much to ask, singing because it was a surprise. Which Huldah, she comes from Nyamira County, and more specifically to Avanta Bange, Avarai Bagusi, Governor, the governors, Kisi and Nyamira. We have seen the Member of Parliament, West Mugirango, and other leaders na Kenya ngima bagosherekea igoro ya Huldah Momanyi. And actually she has gone viral kurwa chinsa cha mambia na rolling the headline abantu bangi wategete kumanya who is Huldah na ikiagera nike kinyoro na ekinyoro mba test mbarua igentokuru kwa mbakwa na about Huldah, who she is, na kiawa konya abantu and baka tebiwa family nera ali muga koromo uko na bana baye and na again the school akana they promise to the students bakora matemu mwako yiga and is a person ore ground nonyeka lega abu na re ground yiga ikata chiti kwa bantu ba aga Kenya.
Yes, can you imagine of her age? She can still remember back home. She created that thing because of the humble background we grew in. She wants to give back to the community. Project soon in the near future. Say school ya yasa aivoletue. Ata itakuwa gachira bana baiseke chichoro. Because she will be doing that in the near future. The project was hijacked by her being busy as a chikura. Yes.
Okay. Right.
Mbiyamona singa ncho kwendera gusanga amone ncho kira chingaki na ndina anemono kwendera kwimanya aliagase ne korekana kurwa ase chingongo nye chinse. Nyoranga nguchinde gusanga eya mase yemo na umusubati Huldah Momanyi oyonya itakaboka gochorwa ese ekirokia Minnesota House of Representative egeretu chuko na nere ya mase yemo atwe savari yaye na kiagereta gaswa asense mu ya siasa alishinsa mu cha America na anene mono ngikyanya itakobagi kumusuguma na wesokia kwene kyanga munaero mugusi ngotini nara asense ya barabu na kuburira chikura echo. Nyoranga samaritane nchini gonkuru kwa nipto Dennis kusina buwancha undangeri kuntu tinera kubatogo sanga asobwamo na kira chingaki.